Hey Robert, I just want to make this little quick video to kind of show you through where I think you are missing um, some things and where I think your question is about getting to the textbook assignment stuff. So what you need to do is you need to go to our weekly assignments. When you get to our weekly assignments, you'll click into the module. The module has everything you're going to do, all right, for the week. So all of these different things. But what I think your question is, what it seems like, is in the reading. So when you do this, when you get to the reading, you're going to hit click to launch. It's going to take you to the textbook. You can do a couple of things. You can start with the reading, or you can start with the questions. These questions are going to guide you through all these different concepts that are important in this reading. This is how you show that you read through the material, and how you get credit for your reading for the week. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You can start with the question, you can start with the reading. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and start with the reading. And when I start with the reading, you'll notice that that some things are highlighted. These highlighted things are the most important things in the reading. So as you're going through the reading, you want to pay special attention to this stuff that is highlighted. In order to get credit for doing all the concepts, however, what you're going to need to do is answer all these questions. So, where on the front page I told you you could do the questions, you can also get to it right here in the reading by going to questions. And so what it's going to do, it's going to tell you, how this is going to work. So it's going to show how you make progress by completing these concepts. And the number of questions will vary depending on what your needs are. So it's going to guide how well you understand this thing. It's going to guide you back to things that you're missing and pass you through things that you're getting. It's okay to get questions wrong. You'll still earn 100% if you complete all of the concepts by the end of the week due date that we have. And then you'll want to submit your answers by selecting your confidence level, and this also doesn't affect your grade. So hit got it there. And so you can see there's 48 concepts that you're going to complete. So as you're reading, you're going to answer these questions until you've completed all of these 48 concepts. Once you've completed 48 out of the 48 concepts, it will show you that you've completed the reading assignment for the week. That's how you get credit for doing the textbook reading. From the questions, you can go back to the reading by hitting reading, back to the questions by going questions. Okay? So hopefully this helps. If you have any further questions, I'm happy to set up a meeting with you. We can do it through Zoom. We can do it over the phone, whatever is going to help you the most. All right? Hopefully this helps, and good luck getting the rest of the stuff done. Thank you.